Today, we will discuss about unit conversion and SI unit. Our objective for this lesson would be number 1, convert SI and metric units using dimensional analysis. Next, convert units of area and volume. Third, use metric system in dimensional analysis in unit conversion. And fourth, convert units of time and speed. To start with, let's have our case number 1. That is English to metric or metric to English. Here's our first problem. Convert 25 centimeter to inches, and we have to take note that 2.54 centimeter equals to 1 inch. First, let me write the given. So we have here 25 centimeter. So, in order for me to convert this, I have to use dimensional analysis. And here are my dimensions. That is 2.54 centimeter equals 1 inch. Now, take note that my goal here is to simply cancel the unit. So, 2.54 centimeter will be placed here at the bottom, and my 1 inch will be on top. Okay, so I will write it now. Therefore, 2.54 centimeter, and then 1 inch is on top. As you can see, I can now cancel centimeter units. Therefore, what is now my operation? I will press in my calculator this for equation 25 divided by 2.54 and 2.54, and that will be equal to, once I press it, let me fix it, 2 point, okay, so we have here 2.54 equals 0.04. Therefore, my answer now is 0.04 inch. Now, let me do the number 2. The recommended waistline for adult males is less than 40 inches to avoid being at risk for heart attack. Convert this into centimeter. So the first thing that I need to write here is simply 40 inches. I have here 40 inches times, okay, so take note what is my dimension. My dimension here is 2.54 centimeter equals 1 inch. So, which dimension will I put on top and which dimension will I put at the bottom? Now, since my goal here is to cancel this unit inches, I will put this 1 inch at the bottom. So we have here 1 inch, and then I have here 2.54. What will I press in my calculator? That is simply 40 times, so I press in my calculator 40 times 2.54, and that is equal to 101.6. So what is now my final answer? My final answer here is 101.6 centimeter. Now, before I will continue, I will try to uh, round it off or write my final answer in proper significant figures. So, here I have one significant figure. On this portion, I have one significant figure, and therefore, my final answer should be expressed in one significant figure. Therefore, I could round it off to 100 centimeter, and that is expressed as one significant figure. Next, this time let's talk about uh, mass. So we have here the human brain weighs about 3 pounds. Convert this into kilogram. So what do I need? The given here is 3 pounds. Let me write it. So we have 3 pounds. Now, what is my dimension? My dimension here is 2.2 pounds equals to 1 kilogram. Therefore, 3 pounds times, I will write here 2.2 pounds. So we have here 2.2 pounds at the bottom. And this 1 kilogram will be on top. As you can see, my goal is to cancel the unit. So, I will press in my calculator 3 divided by 2.2, and that is equal to 1.3636. Then repeating and non-terminating. Now, so my final answer here is 1.36 kilograms. Now, if I want to express it in proper significant figure, I will round it off to one significant figure. Why one significant figure? Basically, this one has one significant figure. Therefore, my final answer would be 1 kilogram. If, let's say for example, I write here, let's say for example, I will write here, instead of 3 pounds, I will make as 3.0 pounds. It has two significant figure. And if it has two significant figure, this 1.36 would become 1.4 kilograms. And that would show that it has two significant figure. Now, how about the second case? Or the number 4. Convert 200 pounds to grams. So, here I have my 2 dimension. Take note that 2.2 pounds equals to 1 kilogram, and then 1,000 gram equals to 1,000 kilogram. The very first step that I need to write here is 200 pounds times. So the first dimension that I'm going to use is this. My goal is to cancel the pounds, so I will use this. So now, I will write this 2.2 pounds on this portion. So we have here 2.2 pounds. Let me erase this. So we have 2.2 pounds and then 1 kilogram. As we'll see, I cancelled already the pounds. Now, since my goal is to convert it in grams, I will not stop there. Since my unit now is in kilogram, I have to use this unit. Therefore, extend my dimensional analysis. Now, which item will I put at the bottom? Is it 1,000 grams or 1 kilograms? Since my goal is to cancel that kilogram, I will put here 1 kilogram, and then I will put here 1,000 grams. So, here, my units will be cancelled. Now, how will I press it in my calculator? I'm going to press it in my calculator. I have here 200 divided by 2.2, and then press, so I have here, let me undo it. Okay, 200 divided by 2.2, then press equal sign, and then let me do it. So 200 divided by 2.2, and then after that press times 1000. So the answer now is 90,909. Okay, again, how do I press it in calculator? Input 200, then press divided by, then input answer, and then times 1,000 grams. So, the final answer would be 90,909.09. 90,909.09. Since I want to express my answer in one significant digit, so this 90,909, it shall be converted into one significant, and that is 90,000 by the way, grams, and then that is one significant figure. Okay, that's it.